Uniglobe Travel Center is the most trusted home for serious travel advisors. They are a highly respected host agency that has been supporting travel advisors for over 25 years. And not only do they supply the tools and technology that you need to operate your business, but they also have incredibly knowledgeable and caring support staff to guide you through every step of your professional journey. They are a proud member of the Virtuoso Network, which enables their advisors to have expanded access to the luxury travel market and the industry's top marketing resources. Uniglobe's dedication to their agents has cultivated the most productive and experienced agents in the hosted industry. In addition to supporting their existing advisors, Uniglobe has also made a commitment to help new advisors enter the travel industry and provide an in-depth instruction on how to start an agency from scratch. Over the last 10 years, Uniglobe has built the most comprehensive introductory program for new travel advisors called Mentor U. Mentor U provides 3 months of virtual coaching that covers business planning and setup, sales and marketing, preferred suppliers, booking technology, and itinerary planning. It's facilitated by 2 experienced travel agency professionals with a diverse depth of experience. Uniglobe doesn't just show you how to be a successful travel advisor, but also how to be a successful business owner and thrive in this exciting world of travel. Uniglobe is dedicated to their mission to inspire and cultivate the most productive travel advisors through genuine relationships and unmatched support. For more information, visit www.uniglobetravelcenter.com. For more information, visit www.findahosttravelagency.com. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and post a comment. Also, if you would like to know when we post more video tutorials, just subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching our 2022 Top Host Agency video.